Okay, we're recording now. Good morning. It's about 9:12. I'm running 12 minutes late. Well, we are recording now. This is Fahry Hamzy with Hamzy Analytics. This is our pilot recording for a morning brief. We expect to do it 3 times a week. It will be what's event driven. If we have calendar issues, the econ data, or if we have events like FOMC meetings, things of that nature that would be worth noting or going over, we'll do more or shift them. Maybe we won't do it Wednesday, we do it Monday, Tuesday, and a Friday. It's going to be posted on our videos, which is right here, which is on YouTube, because we have quite a bit of. Okay, that's not going to let you go there. There we go. Sorry. So let me bring it switch over. There we go. It goes to here. There's our Hamzy Analytics. We have about 970, 969 subscribers there. Okay, that's that. Forget about this crap. Okay, all right. So this is for PMT. All right, let's start. By the way, this is where I hang out. This is what's called Cape Naples. This is the chat I'm talking to you guys. This one just added. That's what the Skype is running on. The Skype used to run on this monitor. Now I've got 2 to work on, which is very good. This is actually right down there. You see the little fans? He's got 6 fans. This is the i9. This is what trades the fund. And then on this side, this is the old, you could maybe see it down there. This is the old, what do you call it? Knock that burned through the IBM replaced it. A little surface there. And these 4 controls Chicago. Los Angeles, the Skypes and the emails, okay? And then right here, this laptop gets the news. So that I watch from Trader News, excellent service. Not trying to sell you anything. And then obviously on this one, I add on the top, it doesn't on here right now. I have the Tick Strike that gives you the audio blocks. The group that I had in London worked with me to upgrade the service to meet what we need. All right. You should see I'm trading on a Dome, and because the multi-account order bar is not complete. Last night, almost finished. From what I've seen, I gave her feedback late last night. Actually working on the guys there. All right. So that's that. All right. Let's get to PMT real quick. All right. And I've got to get better on this guy. So this is on the sim here, right down here. So why is it going there? I don't know. Okay. There we go. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, I logged in and sim. Yeah, I can't go over people's accounts. That's dangerous. And this is a live account until it switches around. Live. This is the master account. They should have been in place. It's not. Okay. Quickly. New highs. This is the all-time high line. We broke that. We're at. If I do this, you'll see. We're at +1, +2 sigma, right in the channel. All other things being equal, we're going to continue forward. And we're not overbought. So, and CIs are up. I understand that. No signal to the downside. Move downside. As a matter of fact, this is just all in line. The ratio of the down to up volume is in line with continuing forward. Will we have a surprise? Probably. Is it now? I don't think so. It's a little bit further out. So we're going to stay positive bias-wise. Now, this made a new high yesterday in SPX. NDX has been making new highs. You see the line. Increasing, going up. It only goes up if the new high comes in. Okay? Again, this is also not overbought. This is a bread straight. By any measure, we're not overbought. So it's got more to go. We're going to stay with our trade also. Moving forward very quickly. Canaries. A little pullback on the transportation. The economy is not good. The economy and market are 2 different things. Remember, transportation is a very good down here, I'm saying. Good discounted forecast, discounted value of the economy. Yeah, it has gotten better, given what it was in the double flush in the toilet down there. It's come up, but we still have 10% unemployment. I don't read the job list like that. They say it's 56 million they have filed, but some of them have come back. That's the time they filed. I don't know what net is, but 10% is like 16 million people. That's about 160 working level, working folks, that's about 10%. That's about 116 million. Going to DT, the trenders, you could see we'll pull up a little bit of divergence there, a little bit of divergence here. The Momo is in there. We'll pull back a bit. Are we ready to pull back? Most likely. Most likely. Are these at any extremes, these percentages? No. Your PMT sheets show that. Okay. This is not going to replace PMT. We're going to be we do not show any trades. We're just going to give you some color. That's all. Very quick. Pull back here, 276. So it's here's what's important. We're not making new highs and advanced decline. This is your first warning. Are you with me? We're not pulling. We're making new highs. Look what we're going with outside bars. Look at 52 weeks high and lows, but not the advanced decline. It's actually pulling back. And there's little brethren. Quiet. Little brethren is also pulling back. I gotta be quick because these can't be too long videos. SQ 138.08. We're near zero. Okay. If this goes up, continue to go up. Let's say breaks 3 sigma again, not value, but location, 3 sigma. Remember, it's the intensity that matters. That's the difference of work I've done with others on the on the Time Digest. I look at intensity. That means measuring against yourself. How do I know that? Because I presented to other timers, and they say, "Well, what?" I said, "Yeah." So, if not the level here, absolute level, but let's say it gets where it's the 2 sigma area, then you really have the M. That tells me they went back to the well. They created new tail risk, long puts, deep out of the money. Not deep, yeah, out of the money. They're way out, not deep, but way out of the money. Puts their bought. And remember, this is a downside risk only. You have 2 tails on it. No distributed data, but this is the downside risk. So these are the puts. Usually, it's a very good precursor of 6 weeks to say 10 weeks upheaval. So usually it's very quiet until it peaks, and we get a signal like once a year. This was December 13th. I knew when I left the country for him. We went to the Caribbean for a week with some friends. I said, "We got a problem coming. I got to figure out what's up." I sat on the beach. All I was talking about to myself was SQ made a 4. There's a 4 sigma. Made a 4 sigma read, and high up. Here the range is 150 to 100. Obviously, we're a little bit above the minimum, and we've never hit the minimum of design requirement. And where we've exceeded that, there. Somebody's mic is open. Okay. Somebody's mic is open. Okay, thank you. All right. So 150 should be 150. We actually. Hold on. Let me bring this back. Okay. Sorry, I gotta get used to this mouse. Hold on. Let's see if you. My bad. Okay. Here's what I'm talking about. A good example is also August of 2018, which is right there. We made the 159. Here we go. Where this reading came. Yeah, look at that's a December low, 2018. That was my first target when we went down. The other one was election day. But here, look at that read. The read was in August 13th of 2018, led to this massive drop. 2 tries, left translation, and massive one starting. I think it was early December. Yeah, December 3rd. This one. And you guys remember here? I mean, this was one of my best times. Except March this year. This year March was unreal. Anyhow, but that was the early signal. So I learned from that what to watch for. Came this year, came 2019, about 15 months later, another peak. I said something is wrong. I gotta be ready. And of course, we saw what happened after that. Here's the drop, 38% drop in 6 weeks. Never heard of. 5 weeks, never heard of, never seen before. And now here we are. Is this the perfect store? I don't know. It has the makings of it, but we got to take a look at it daily. I don't care about trend. I want to look at TD. We're high still. Divergence. Again, divergence here. These divergences are massive. So we'll see why they're doing what are we doing there. And then this is very peaky. They're peaked. Yeah, you have negative 11 now. And mind you, we use a spread now on this. We've taken 4 handles out already to adjust for severity of these readings. This is the spread there of the 9. What do you got? I gotta take this out. 9 I'm saying 90 days spread. Unheard of. It is super uber overbought by the VIX calculations. One more chart here. I'm going to show you. What do we do with this one? Come on, Jack. I get it. All right. There we go. Where is this? Oh, there we go. Okay. Wow. This is another one. Hold on. Okay. There you go. So I got to figure out how this moves. Okay. Let's go to 125. All right. You see the divergence? You see the divergence? And of course, this at least I'm not measuring. I'm measuring here. This is too far. That peak to this peak. But look at this rising. Look at the divergence you're getting from here on. Still, even from here. Oh, I cannot use the cursor there. From here on, you'll see a peak there. Below that, much higher than this, than we were, much lower than we are now. But look at the reading. This is a number percent of stocks about 200 days. So that's not good news either. That's that. Okay. Econ data. Oh, dude, hold on. Econ data. Go back there. Okay. Econ data right here. Hold on. Sorry, guys. We'll get back. Give me a chance. Econ. Where was the econ? There we go. Econ there. Like this. Let's see what we have here. Okay. Today is 19th. Today is Wednesday. Okay. Mortgage. I don't care about that. I have no idea. Yeah, that's not me. And Barkin is going to speak. I don't know who's he with. And they're all 2 p.m. So today, what we want to watch for is, this doesn't tell me. 2 p.m. today is in minutes of the last FOMC meeting. Okay, that may give us some clue. Come on back. Okay, let's see what's tomorrow, next couple of days. All right. Jobless claim tomorrow morning crucial. That'll give us. I like to see that. The red ones are important to pay attention to. Natural gas, I don't care. Auctions, I don't care. Mary Daly, I don't know who she is. Balance sheet, that's huge anyway. All right, and then you got PMI and existing home sales. More important than PMI is the home sales here. We'll look at for tomorrow. Again, if we do on Friday, we'll go over these and review back here. Okay. What's the jobless claim data for? They're looking for less than 1 million. Okay, it's dropping. All right, good. All right, having said that, let's go to overnight. Okay, we have set up an ES and NQ. Here's the NQ. Here's the ES. It's same as what's on the server, except this one I have to go back and forth. Remember we were doing with Anne-Marie? We had to go back to arrange and focus too much. And it was a 2-man operation. You had to do one guy recording, one guy talking. I'm a 1-man operation for this. So I had to come up with devise a plan to do everything here. Central lines. Let me go back here. Okay. Central lines. Look at the slope. We've always talked about slope and color. 397.85 overnight. That tells me from this screen here. Hold on. One second. Yeah. Let me say that. Let me see what I was trying to say here. Okay. We're up. Actually down negative 21 on NQ on the ES is 375. Again, notice that MNQ is running about twice the volume of NQ. The number of blocks are in there. It's really nearly. Even I tried one MNQ as a test in the account. I used the NQ for signaling. Okay, that has blocks. Again, high of the day overnight was 3 handles above here on S&P, so 6 1/4 up. We're up plus 3, so 3 more. I would look for the followings. Okay, throughout the day. Hold on. Sorry. Throughout the day, look at the upside, 3403 or higher. That's what the two you want to see. It validates the upside trade is a break of the center line. Look how they bought it last time. Okay, so keep an eye on that. For timing purposes, I would use the Excel. You want to go to large is fine, but this is your timing. For execution, I would use a medium or a small. I would say probably medium. Small, you're gonna have a lot of noise there. I think you should have some buffer in terms of account size, so you have some margin below what you're using, put aside as a cushion, if you will, not buffer, a cushion. So you got to give yourself some room. So if you're getting panicky on the small blocks, using too much. You should not panic even buying medium. If you're using small blocks, you're doing that because this moves fast. Okay, as does an NQ. That means that you're using too much of your position. Yeah, you need more buffer. Okay, allocate separately or trade less. Okay, just ease up a little bit and switch to that slowly, and that becomes your mindset. Okay, so stay with your routine. Don't keep on switching routine. John, after I'm done with the video, sure, I'll get to CL. Bear with me, okay? As far as overnight, it was fairly quiet. I don't have a chart here for that, do I? Oh, no, not that. I'm gonna build another chart here. Hold on. I will build a new chart there for tomorrow. That would do the overnight of ESNQ, or maybe I should do it right now. Let's go here. Let's do a new app. There's a new chart. Okay, I want to do ESU daily. That's it. And I want to put it, but I don't want to put it. Okay, I don't want to put a. Come on, hold on. I don't want to put. I'm on bars, but out there. Hold on. Why is it jumping on it? 1 second, guys. Oh, market is opening. Dude. Okay, hold on. Where's my start? I want to get a. Man, where's daily? No daily? No. No settings available. Why is that letting me be? Oh, there. I'm sorry. I wanted to get candlestick. I'm sorry. Okay, here's a candlestick. We'll do 2 of these tomorrow. Will be yes and NQ, so we can talk about overnight what happened. Or maybe do it hourly. That's something in my mind. All right. Let's go to NQs quickly, very quickly. Hold on. Come on. There we go. Again, this I'm gonna get this down. I will. All right. I added one line at the end of the day yesterday because of what happened there. We're coming to neutral area. Let's try to push up there. We should get back to trading. Here's your MBS. Again, key area is watch what the center lines are doing. Slope on color. Slope is good. That's not violated. All right. Stay long. With that, we think this is enough for today. On Friday, we'll do a better job. Thank you all. Let's go and make some money.